Guys, you won't believe this. I almost died. I'm trying to regroup here. I almost died, folks. What a close call. I'm so lucky to be alive. Thanks for tuning in. Jeff Farrows on the Hot Homestead. I did a review on this here. This is a gas detector. And I figured since I have it, I might as well put it to good use, right? So I just had a couple of tanks filled up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and we'll put it up by the valve and that little screw, the vent screw, and let's just see what happens. So let's go take a look. So here are my two tanks. We're all set. I don't have to set it to anything. I'm not getting anything there. I'll even stick it inside this. Nothing. Oh, see, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There's the dog. Look at that. See it going up? That's on the inside. Now this is tight. Now that's a concern. That's a major concern. That obviously we would not know about it if I wouldn't have done this. Now I guess you could smell it. Alright, now it's back to zero. Let's take a look at this one. We're going to do this. That screw in there, I'm not seeing anything with that screw. We're just sticking inside this guy here too. Look at that. Guys, why are both of these leaking? That's a concern. I'm going to go check a couple of other tanks that have been sitting for a while. Let's take a look at them. So I have all these tanks here. So we got reset to zero. Oh, look at that. That means they all have a slow leak, doesn't it? How interesting. So this cap might actually be pretty important. And we're back to zero. Now see, that one's not scoring anything. That one's not scoring anything at all. How interesting, folks. That one's not scoring anything, so that's okay. I call it scoring. I'm sure you guys would call it something else, huh? That one looks just fine. I guess maybe I should also check the screw. The screw seems to be fine. I like this nozzle. Look at that. See how easy it is to deal with that nozzle? So, what I had this one here that leaked, didn't it? And that was it. What was this one? I forgot. See, that one's fine. So that one's leaking. How interesting. That leak is so minor, so you're not even smelling gas or anything like that. But when I stuck this nozzle, the little probe thing, up inside it, it started going up. That tells me there's a small leak, especially when I compare it to the other tanks and there's nothing. It means I need to get that valve replaced, huh? So, this just became a whole heck of a lot more important than I thought, because here's why. Even though that's such a minor leak, and that's a large tank, that's a 40-pound tank, I won't notice it. So it could leak, what, 0.2 of a pound, and I not even know it before I use it and use it all up. If I use it up instantly, then yeah, I'm not even going to notice it I'm not going to notice it at all. So it makes me wonder, wow, I think I'm going to have to do that test I just did. I'm going to have to do that more often, because I think I have a couple of them that got leaks, and I got to do something about that. Because A, I don't want to lose propane, and B, if I got them all stored together like I do there, and they're all doing a little bit of leaking, that could be a problem, right? Yeah, if you have a propane tank, you need this thing. This is, holy crap. Now, it does do other things. I did a video about it, and I put it, I think up this way or whatever, and, or maybe it's this way, I don't know. It'll be up in the corner. And I did a review on this, and I covered a little bit, or on there's the book, and I showed the video of the book, the manual, and on there it lists all the gases. Basically, if it's a combustible gas, this thing will detect it. That's the bottom line. Gotta get one. So luckily for me, luckily for you, I just tested my propane, and everybody's still safe. See you, bye, have fun.